Is this a summer photo? No, winter. Welcome to today's episode. Today we have another quick Photoshop tutorial for you. Earlier we showed you how to create snowfall effect in Photoshop. Now we are going to show you how to apply snow overlay to your photograph. It's an easy method and you can download free snow overlay from the video description link. So let's make it in 3 minutes. Definitely your likes, comments or subscriptions make us happy. But do you know what is more important to us? That is your love for quick learn. Keep loving and have fun with Photoshop.